Here's some colony collapse disorder trivia. Subscribe. What chemical class is linked to CCD? Is it A, neonicotinoids, B, organophosphates, C, carbamates, or D, sulfonylureas? The correct answer is A, neonicotinoids. What year was CCD first identified? Is it A, 2010, B, 2012, C, 2006, or D, 1999? The correct answer is C, 2006. What kind of farming practices may contribute to CCD? Is it A, organic farming, B, monoculture, C, intercropping, or D, crop rotation? The correct answer is B, monoculture. What pathogen type affects bee health related to CCD? Is it A, viruses, B, bacteria, C, protozoa, or D, fungi? The correct answer is A, viruses. What is one suspected cause of CCD? Is it A, viral infections, B, pesticides, C, urban development, or D, global warming? The correct answer is B, pesticides. What type of beehive is often affected by CCD? Is it A, top bar hive, B, Langstroth hive, C, skep hive, or D, Warre hive? The correct answer is B, Langstroth hive. Which class of compounds have been researched for CCD effects? Is it A, fertilizers, B, insecticides, C, herbicides, or D, fungicides? The correct answer is B, insecticides. What type of fungi can impact bee colonies? Is it A, aspergillus, B, candida, C, penicillium, or D, nosema? The correct answer is nosema. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.